you can use your voice to dictate large bodies of text using Dictation Mode. Then you can move into listening mode to edit with voice commands and dictate quick phrases using the trigger word type while you edit your document. Let's do an example in Microsoft Word. Start listening. Click. Dictate. Please let me know if there's anything else I can provide as we move forward with the decision-making process. Stop dictation. You can select text with your mouse, bold, click, select line, change case, click, space. Type this week. Backspace. Down. Select word. Backspace. Type increased. Stop listening. Enjoy being more productive using your voice to dictate and edit with Cephable.